Hey everyone, and welcome to week 2 of quantitative reasoning. For this week, we are actually going to be finishing up Unit 1 and doing our Unit 1 wrap up, and then starting on Unit 2. A couple things I do want to note is I did change due dates to be Mondays, so your next due date is going to be Monday the 23rd at 11:59, unless otherwise stated in the announcements. So this is going to be the exact same format as last week, where you guys are completing your Lumen homework, the previews, and the practices by clicking on these links. You're watching your videos and filling out your notes. These notes you can use when you go to take your assessment. So your Unit 1 wrap-up is going to cover everything that you learned in Unit 1, and you do get 2 attempts, and it is timed. If you'd like to go over your first attempt before you take your second, please just reach out and let me know, and I'm happy to meet with you in person or via Zoom. Lesson 4 is going to start Unit 2. You guys also have a discussion board, and you're going to have your first post due by the 20th. So this discussion board is going to get you started on your mid-semester project. So your mid-semester project is going to be due February 13th, and your first post for this project is going to be due the 20th. So this post is actually going to help you guys answer the first question in your project, which is going to be just a question of your choice. So we're going to jump over the project in just a minute. But again, your first post is going to be due the 20th. I'm going to be approving all questions by Tuesday the 24th. And then by February 3rd, I want you guys carrying out your study. So I know right now this probably doesn't make a lot of sense. So I'm going to go ahead and put myself in student view and show you guys what the project looks like. So you can look at this project in a couple ways. If you go under activities and assignments, you can take a preview of your mid-semester project, which I highly encourage. Watch this video because it's going to set the expectations for what we want in this project to help you get the highest grade possible. So this project is going to explore topics that you learned in Units 1 and 2. It's going to be imperative that you're including all work, which means tables, graphs, any scrap work, so we can see how you guys are getting your answers. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be posing a question that interests you. For example, how many hours per week do full-time Delaware Tech students typically spend doing schoolwork outside of class? Do you spend more time on one topic than another? So again, this is what you guys are doing in your first discussion board, and it's actually going to help you get started on this project. So take a look through the table, see what exactly you're being graded on. It's broken into parts, directions, questions, and tips. There's a lot of great resources just throughout these tables, like the data collection tool, Dot Plot Maker website, and if you scroll down to the bottom, there are printable directions as well if that's easier to look at. Make sure you guys look through the rubric so you know exactly how you are going to be scored. So if you guys have any questions as you're completing your week, again, please make sure you're reaching out. You're using me as a resource. Again, it is only a 7-week course, so I know it may seem like we're moving a little fast, but then after those 7 weeks, you are all done with your math course. Hope you guys all have a great week.